Welcome to DIY for Homeowners.
We're mother-daughter projects.
I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to show you how to watch YouTube on your TV. Now there's a lot of different streaming devices to do this, and today we're going to be talking about the Fire TV Stick. And the reason for that is because I have a lot of Alexa enabled devices where I can just say
that word,
do this. And so I already have a lot of things within that ecosystem, and that's why I wanted to try out the Fire TV Stick.
Recently, Steph unboxed it at my house, so take a look.
And I'll go ahead and open this up, and it comes with the batteries, it looks like. So we have a remote right here. We have the batteries, and we have the Fire Stick right here. So this part plugs into your TV. And then this is the wall charger. Instructions. And this is the cord, I think, to power this. Yeah, so this would plug in here. And then this plugs in on the adapter, and this plugs into the wall. Take off all the packaging. And this just pops open. All right, so this is all set up, ready to go. So I'm gonna take this inside and get it set up on my TV. The Fire TV Stick just plugs into any available HDMI you have on your TV. There's also an HDMI extender cable included in the box if you need that for your setup. And plug the other end into a wall outlet. Next, I selected the HDMI input where I plugged in the Fire Stick. Then I followed the prompts for setup. The Fire TV Stick got configured, connected to my network, and here's a short little clip showing what the Fire TV Stick can do.
Welcome to your new Fire TV Stick. Use your voice to easily get to all your favorites. Check the weather, order a pizza, play music, and that's just the beginning. To find more, just ask, Alexa, what can you do? What are you going to watch first on your new Fire TV Stick?
Open YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
The Fire TV Stick has apps that you can download to be able to do different functions. Right here I'm downloading the YouTube app, and then I'll be able to use it. All right, it is now all set up, so all I have to do is push this button right here. Open YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
And there it is.
Now, search DIY for Homeowners.
Getting that from YouTube.
There it is. We're on the big screen.
So you can just sit here. You can watch anything on YouTube. We have no, no, you can watch us. You can watch anything though. But these are actually, this is our channel, so you can see. And all you have to do, one of our most popular videos, our most popular video is this screen video. So we'll just play that. And then you just push the button with the remote.
Oh, and have to watch the commercial.
You do get ads just like you do on YouTube. It does.
Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. I'm Vicki.
Pretty cool.
That's
on the
pretty
big
cool.
screen.
Yeah, and I can actually mute it through the remote, and I can control the volume through the remote as well, which is really nice. I can also turn off my TV on and off with the remote. It all integrates together, which is very cool. So this is just one of the very small features of the Amazon Fire TV Stick. You can do a lot more than just watch YouTube, but we really wanted to focus on that because, we're YouTube content creators, so we want to make sure everyone knows that there's so many ways to watch YouTube, definitely on your TV. If you are curious about other streaming devices or other things you can do on these streaming devices, let us know in the comments below, because I also have an Apple TV and a computer hooked up to my TV. So I have a lot of different ways I can watch YouTube and other services out there. So if you're curious, let us know in the comments and we will maybe make a video about that. I want to also let you know is at the very end, so let me see if I can fast forward to the end of our video real quick. I wanted to show you real quick that I thought was kind of cool is these two suggested videos at the end. You can actually select them with the remote, just like you can on the app on the computer or your phone. So I thought that was pretty cool that you could do that. There we are again. Okay, I'm gonna say, go home. And there we are.
If you like watching our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
And I thought, hey, we make YouTube videos, and most of the time we find out people are watching them on their phone or... Darn it. If you like that video, you might like this video right up here I made a couple years ago about how to install an HD antenna.
Or you might like this one on how to record live TV, and that's gonna be right about here.
Yeah, okay. Oh, this is awkward, Mom. This is real, this is real awkward. Okay, well, play those videos, please, because
that where it's supposed to be?
this is
Right
not, this
here.
is not working for me.